Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. This is Arnold the Desert TV. Today's video, I will introduce to you the new BUTT FUSION welding machine. In this video, I will show you all the details. Let's go guys.
After this one, Miss Hertz. This is the BUTT FUSION welding machine.
And now, place the heater between the two gap.
This is how to join the reducer, huh? Yeah.
This is 4-inch pipe reduced to 2-inch.
Pipe.
Set the heater up to 80 seconds.
This is the instructor. This is the BUTT boss. Your name also, I will take your name, huh?
Manu.
Huh?
Manu.
Manu. Okay, no problem. I know your name now, Manu. So how many minutes?
82.
82 minutes, huh? Minutes?
82 seconds for
18.
heating,
18 minutes only, huh? Oh.
10 minutes for joining the pipe.
80. Okay, one.
Sound.
Yeah. 8 seconds, 80 seconds, huh?
Ah.
Okay. Sounds coming after this one.
And this is HDPE pipe, High Density Polyethylene.
Before placing the heater,
Be sure that the pipes are clean and dry. Now easily adjust the machine.
How much? How many minutes? 80?
80.
80 minutes.
Ah.
Total 1
80
and a half.
minutes, no, 80 seconds.
Seconds.
Only.
Seconds, sorry. 80 seconds. 1.3, 1.30 minutes. Okay. So, this is how to join the 90 HDPE pipe.
Okay.
Sound ya, badmi.
Sounds came means heating is done.
Open. Nikalo. Hata. Join marayga.
and join the pipes until 10 minutes. Introducing BUTT FUSION welding machine for inquiries. Watch this video till the end.
This is the output welding of this machine.
laying of HDPE pipes.
ऐसा कर दिया है पागो सबर दोनों जरा वो नहीं चाहिए इतना दूर चक्कर मैक्सिमम जाएगा
Now joining the T reducer to the main source pipe.
सेम तू पूरा पूरा रमाल
पानी नहीं आ रहा ना इस तरफ पे पानी नहीं आ रहा है पानी नहीं है हाइट ओके वो हटाओ अच्छा नहीं है ना वो माटी वो उससे डाउन करो
आराम से माते ज़्यादा माते मुश्किल
लीक आएगा ना तुम्हारा कितना है पैसा दिन में 400 है ना 200 काटेंगे और 200 काटेंगे तुम्हारा बस और थोड़ा खींचो नहीं उल्टा करो उल्टा रखो मिशिंग उस तरफ नहीं आएगा ना आएगा कैसे आएगा इधर जाएगा किधर है हाँ नहीं आएगा इधर आ जाएगा मिशिंग उल्टा करो खींचो बाहर खींचो और उठ पाइप और ओके टी ले और टी में डालो
Cutting the pipe using the electric saw machine.
ये टी जॉइन करो उधर प्लग जॉइन करो ये वाला इलेक्ट्रो मशीन है ना 100 भी ले ले ये बाकी उधर सब पाइप डालो उधर पाइप डालो सब कुछ पानी आने के लिए एक कोई नहीं है ना तो वो लोग
And this is the finished product of this machine. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comments, and share.